Don Dada. Fire can't cool me up on fire.
Original Batman.
It's features.
She give me pon me hard, say she give me pon me hard. Fine girl, I come in on me hard, say she bounce pon the thing.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this hair that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so before we jump right into the video, I did want to let you guys know that this video is being brought to you guys by klaiyi. So thank you so much klaiyi for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. But yeah divas, if you guys are interested in the details and the specs on this hair, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so jumping right in, here is the unit. So this unit does come with 3 combs in the front as well as a 3.5 inch parting area, and as you guys can see, it is a lace front unit. But this is how the cap is constructed. It is average head friendly, and I do have a larger size head. It also does feature a little bit of lace in the back as well as a comb with the adjustable straps. So here's how the unit looks straight onto my head, and I was like, girl, what are we doing with these bangs? Like, are these supposed to be baby hairs? But anyways, here is the hair. It is a Brazilian body wave, and it is 18 inches. I am 5'2", in case you want to use that for a height reference to see how long it'll fall on you, which you can see this hair is not very long at all. And yeah, I just was figuring by this time that I was just gonna have to come back to this unit another day because it was just doing the most. But I'm gonna show you guys the parting space. So anywho, here's another day, and I did go in with some L'Oreal Quick Blue and some 40 volume developer to add some streaks in the front. So I'll just let you guys watch because that's kind of self-explanatory. You guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so once I finish bleaching those pieces in the front, I'm just gonna go in and blow dry it, and I really love how this hair reverted right back to its wavy pattern. But I'm just going in with my Revlon blow dryer, and then now I'm gonna go in with my curling wand. This curling wand is random. I bought it a long time ago from the mall, and it's old. I don't even have the name anymore. But I'm just gonna go in and curl the hair, and then after I curl it, I'm going to just go ahead and put some holding spray and then run my fingers through it to kind of like loosen up the curls so that they don't look like so uniform. And then I will be going in with some powder in the parting space, and that is pretty much it. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs and how I pretty much styled this hair and got my little brownish blondish streaks, I did want to come and tell you how I feel about this hair. So number one, I really do like the hair. It is very soft. At first it was very questionable when I first took it out the pack. I was kind of like, what is going on here? Because the bangs were like the baby hairs, see, it was that bad. Like the baby hairs were like bangs, and I was just like, where did we go wrong here, you know? And then the texture, once I finger combed it out, it was like very poofy and everything. So I feel like it just needed a wash and condition. Like it just needed to just have like a washing condition because now the hair is very, very beautiful. I have not applied any product except for holding spray to the hair, so, and it has like that healthy luster, and I really do love the way this hair looks after you wash it. Usually with body wave hair, it will go straight, like it does not like stay in that beautiful wave pattern that it has. But when you wash this hair, it definitely does. I don't know if you guys are able to see it in the previous clips that I showed you guys, but it did revert back. So I really did like that about this hair, because most body wave hair does not revert like back to a wave after it's washed. It's usually straight with like a wave like at the bottom. So as far as cap construction, I really do like it. I do feel like we do need a little bit more parting area. However, this is enough parting area. As you guys can see, it is about maybe like 3.5 to 4 inches, but I feel like with more parting area and more parting space, that will make the unit versatile. But other than that, like, it is really a nice unit. Like, as you can see, there is enough parting space, but me personally, I would just prefer more parting room, just to make the unit more versatile. Now, as far as like going back to the texture, I really do like it. It's very soft, and it's just overall nice. The pattern is very consistent. Now, as you guys seen, I did go in and curl this hair, and it holds the curl pretty good, and I've been running my fingers through it and it's still holding the curl, so I really do like that. As far as bleaching, I feel like it would have took too long if I would have left it on any longer. I did leave it on for about 20 minutes and it was just taking forever to bleach. So, and I did use 40 volume developer, so if you do want it to bleach like to a lighter color, you will have to like wait a while, or I don't know, that's just my experience with this hair. Every hair is different, but however, I was just going for something that was like subtle. I did just want like a patch of some type of color just to add to this unit, just to give it like some flavor, because it was just really like plain Jane, and I don't know, I feel like I want to give you guys something different, because I always bring you guys like the human hair units and add no color or anything, so I'm gonna start doing that. But overall, I do like the unit. It has a nice density. It's not too full and it's not too thin either. And the length is okay. I do prefer longer lengths, especially if I'm going to be styling the hair with curls. But this one is okay. I'm not mad at it. I think the hair is gorgeous. I do like the parting area as well. I did not bleach the knots or anything. I did just go in and bleach these parts. And yeah, I think this hair is pretty nice. Like I said, like overall, like I really like it because it reverts back to its natural state once you wash it and condition it, everything. So that's really good, because that's really rare to see in body wave hair, excuse me. So I do like it. I would definitely give this wig a thumbs up. This hair is really nice, and once again, it is from klaiyi. And if you guys are interested in this hair, I will definitely have a link in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out if you are interested. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous divas did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell, because I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.